Spacious, stylish, and built for modern families, this minivan blends practicality with cutting-edge technology. A sleek exterior, fuel-efficient hybrid powertrain, and thoughtful interior upgrades make every drive smoother and more enjoyable. With impressive safety features and smart innovations, it stands out as a top choice for daily commutes and road trips alike, the Toyota Sienna. Since its 2021 redesign, the Sienna has been all in on hybrid power. Under the hood, you've got a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine working with two electric motors, cranking out a combined 245 horsepower. If you go for all-wheel drive, Toyota throws in a third electric motor to handle the rear wheels, though it doesn't boost overall power. Driving it won't exactly thrill you, but where it really shines is ride comfort. It's smooth and cushy without feeling overly soft, just the right balance for a family hauler. With an impressive 36 miles per gallon city and highway, the Sienna is the most fuel-efficient minivan out there. Opt for all-wheel drive, and city MPG drops to 35. Toyota packed the Sienna with smart storage, starting with a massive center console that runs from the dash to the second row, plus a roomy open cubby underneath. And get this, 18 cup holders scattered throughout the cabin. Now, if you're hauling lots of cargo, there's a catch. The second row seats aren't removable like in the Odyssey or Pacifica Hybrid. But the captain's chairs slide 25 inches, so you can stretch out or create more cargo space. Behind the third row, you get 34 cubic feet, a bit less than the Kia Carnival's 40. Higher trims even offer reclining second-row seats with ottomans, a vacuum, and a fridge. Road trip goals. It captures attention with its bold front grille and sleek LED headlights. The aerodynamic design isn't just for show. It enhances fuel efficiency, making your drives both stylish and economical. Practical features like power sliding doors and a hands-free power liftgate make loading and unloading a breeze, especially when your hands are full. The car keeps you connected with an 8-inch touchscreen on the LE, while all other trims upgrade to a big 12.3-inch display. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Amazon Alexa, Wi-Fi hotspot, and Sirius XM all come standard. You'll find USB-C ports all over, plus a USB-A for older devices. Sound-wise, the LE gets 6 speakers, XLE bumps it up to 8, and higher trims offer an optional 12-speaker JBL system. Navigation comes standard on XSE and up, and most trims can add an 11.6-inch rear entertainment screen. Higher trims also get a fully digital gauge cluster, and Platinum models come with a head-up display. The base LE trim starts at $39,185, offering a solid array of standard features. The XLE trim, starting around at $40,000, adds amenities like hands-free power sliding doors and synthetic leather upholstery. For those seeking luxury, the Platinum trim starts at $58,145 and includes premium features such as the mini fridge and vacuum. The 2025 Toyota Sienna masterfully combines practicality with modern conveniences, making it a top contender for families and individuals alike. Its hybrid powertrain ensures efficiency, while the thoughtful interior upgrades cater to everyday needs. Whether you're embarking on a cross-country adventure or a quick grocery run, the Sienna is designed to make your journey comfortable and enjoyable. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more automotive insights right here on the NamCar channel. Catch you in the next one.